Hey Naturally Soul fam, welcome back. For today's video, I'm just giving you a quick tour of the Jamaica Junior Suites at Grand Palladium Resort. And Grand Palladium is located in Lucy, Hanover in Jamaica. So I'll be giving you a quick tour of what the room is like and also a little view of what the pool and beach areas are also like. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, then continue with the video. So this video was done on day 2 after they did the cleaning, so a lot of things would not be in the exact space they would be on the first day when we came in, but you get the basic idea of what amenities are provided and what the junior suite looks like. So this suite on the Jamaican side has a garden view, On the last day when we were leaving, they were actually moving persons over to those suites, which are also part of the Jamaican side. So Grand Palladium has Lady Hamilton and Jamaica, which are two different price levels for their rooms. So they had recently renovated the other side of the Jamaican suites, and persons were being moved on our last day. If we had stayed another night, we would have been also relocated to the newly renovated side of the property.